Hello, we are from Group 10. Today we will present our research which is exploring entrepreneurial motivation among Faculty Business, Economic and Accountancy, University Malaysia Sabah student. This is my team member, which is my name is NURSYAFIQA binti Mustamin, and my team member is Muhammad Hakimi, Rosalinda Bid, Muhammad FAUZAN, Julia LAHEY HAWING, and Muhammad NAWFAL. Introduction and problem statement. Entrepreneurship is growing among Faculty Business, Economic and Accountancy students at University Malaysia Sabah, driven by interest in income, independence, and real work experience. Students use business as a platform to apply academic knowledge and pursue personal goals. However, many face challenges such as first, lack of business knowledge, second, time pressure from academic commitment, and third, limited financial and emotional support. This study explores what motivates students to become entrepreneurs, the challenge they face, and how they overcome them. Finding aim to help university improve entrepreneurship education and student support system. We have three research questions. First, what personal factor, including student value and life goal, motivate Faculty Business, Economy and Accountancy students to consider starting a business? Second, what are the key challenges faced by Faculty Business, Economy and Accountancy students when pursuing entrepreneurial venture? Third, what strategy do Faculty Business, Economy and Accountancy students employ to overcome the challenge encountered in their entrepreneurial pursuit?
This is the finding overview. We interview a total of 24 students from different programs within Faculty Business, Economic and Accountancy. The interview were designed to answer the three main research questions, and we also wanted to understand their motivation, the problems they encountered, and how they managed those issues. For the interview process, before the interview session, each participant received a consent form and information sheet, either via WhatsApp or by hand. We explained the purpose of the study, confidentially and voluntary participation. Interview will be held on campus, lasted about 15 to 20 minutes, with consent for transcription and thematic analysis. And we also use a semi-structured interview guide focusing on motivation, challenges, and coping strategies.
Now let's look at the demographic profile and key findings from our participant. In terms of gender, 54.16% of the student interviewed were female, while 45.84% were male. And for the course of study, the breakdown is as follows. Entrepreneurship, 33.33%, and then financial management and banking is 25%. For hospitality management and accounting is 12.5% for each. Marketing, 8.33%. For international business and human resource economic is 4.16% for each. When it's come to age, most participants were 22 or 23 years old, each making up 45.84%. A smaller number were aged 20, 21 or 25, each representing is 4.17%. Lastly, for the year of study, 75% of respondents were in year 3, and then 60.67% in year 2, and 8.33% were in year 1. This mix of gender, age, course, and year give us a well-rounded view of the entrepreneurial perspective among Faculty Business, Economic, and Accounting students.
This is for the research question 1. Motivation for entrepreneurship. We found that many students are motivated by a desire for independence and self-reliance. The second one is inspiration from family members who run business. The third one is prior exposure through helping family stall or selling online. And passion for something they love. And the last one is a wish to promote their culture through business. So this motivation show how personal value and life goal drive students to become entrepreneurs. Next, the major challenges identified were limited business or marketing knowledge, lack of capital or tools, and then time management issues between studies and business, difficulty with supplier and customer, and the last one is emotional struggles such as stress, fear, and lack of focus. So this is the research question 3. Despite those challenges, students found creative way to cope. The first one, they asked friends, lecturers, or search online for help. And the second one is stay calm and learn from mistakes. The third one, improve planning and communication skill, experimented with different business ideas. And the last one is constantly look for ways to improve their business.
Discussion of research finding RQ1 motivation. Let's begin with the motivation behind student entrepreneurship. Based on the theory of planned behavior and social recognitive theory, students are driven by various internal and external factors. Many seek independence and self-reliance, while others are motivated by personal goals such as career branding and a sense of purpose. Some were influenced by early exposure to family businesses. Passion and creativity also play a big role, along with cultural identity and the desire to give back to their community. This motivation align well with the theory of planned behavior, especially the component of attitude, social norm, and perceived behavioral control. Discussion of research finding RQ2 and RQ3, challenges and coping strategy. Moving on to the challenges and coping strategy faced by student entrepreneur. Students often struggle with a lack of formal business knowledge, limited financial resources, and the difficulty of balancing academic with running businesses. Operational and psychological barrier further add to the pressure. However, students adopt various coping mechanisms. These include structural time management, learning from YouTube and mentor, and financially creative like pre-order and bootstrapping. Emotionally reliance and feedback loops also help improve their businesses. This strategy reflects both theory, showing how behavior shaped by mindset, environment, and also planning. In conclusion, the study revealed that FBEA students are highly motivated to pursue business to gain independence, achieve life goal, and express their passion. Despite their athleticism, they encounter real challenges, especially related to knowledge, money, and balancing responsibility. Still, ability to manage time, learn from others, and stay motivated showcase their reliance. Overall, the finding emphasized that mindset, environment, and confidence significantly impact entrepreneurial intent. With proper support from the university, these students have the potential to take their businesses even further and become successful entrepreneurs.